ശ്രീജേഷിന്റെ അച്ഛൻ എനിക്കൊപ്പം ചേരുന്നു. അച്ഛൻ ഒരു ഘട്ടത്തിൽ വല്ലാതെ വിതുമ്പി പോകുന്നുണ്ട്.
Your first reaction on Srijesh winning the second bronze medal for the second time for India that in Paris Olympics?
Actually, words cannot express the pride and joy that I feel now. Achieving a bronze medal for India in the retirement match is truly a reward for his passion and dedication for hockey. And I'm actually speechless. We all are proud of him. He had made us happy in so many unforgettable moments. We all are proud of him.
Were there any tension? Like moments of tension or like nervousness?
Yeah.
This is the second time.
Yeah, actually, achieving a medal in the retirement match is truly a reward for him. It is a dream come moment for us, for our family.
But this is the second time he is also participating in
Yeah.
the Olympics, like that for Indian team.
Yeah.
Were there any moments of tension or like any nervousness?
Actually, he is participating in the Olympics for the fourth time, so he is that much experienced how to overcome the stress and the pressure during the competition time. He know that very well.
What about you?
Actually, I am not that too much experienced. I still have tension.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.